today I want to show you this small part of the jigsaw puzzle. In Lithuanian we call it dėlionė. Dėlionė, it's not the word which is used daily, and actually so many Lithuanians, they don't know this word because it's like a new word, dėlionė. Dėlionė comes from the word dėti, to put. Dėlioti, it's to put or to lay out. Aš dedu, I put, aš dėlioju, I put, and I'm continue putting. In each lesson you got like a small piece of a puzzle. Don't worry if you don't speak Lithuanian yet. Don't expect to learn Lithuanian just in one day. So use my lessons like a small piece of a jigsaw puzzle, and one day you will have all the picture. It will become like this. I want to tell you that when I was learning languages at school, the first language we had to learn, it was Russian, and Russian language was a nightmare for me. And the second language I was learning at school, it was French, not English. I don't speak much French. My French, it's so little comparing with English. And the English was the third language I learned, and actually I learned English without studying and without learning from books. So I was struggling with Russian at school and with French as well. I couldn't learn French. How can I learn English? And English pronunciation was much more difficult for me than French pronunciation. So I just said, I will never speak English. Don't say that you are not going to speak Lithuanian. Because I speak English. I speak English with my history that I was so bad in languages. So how did I learn? How I was learning Russian and French. Russian and French I was learning with the pressure that you have to do homeworks, you have to learn, you cannot do any mistake. With English I just learned one sentence. Of course, hello, and I'm glad to see you. Hello, I'm glad to see you. And what I did, I was using it all the time, saying hello, I'm glad to see you. Hello, I'm glad to see you. Until I was feeling that, oh, I need to learn something more. And I'm speaking now English just because I started speaking English and I love it. Even one word, just use it. My secret number one, use it. Even when you say one word in Lithuanian to Lithuanians, you can make people very happy by using one word. If you are going to use 2 or 3 or one sentence, you will do a lot. You will create a lot of joy. Your Lithuanian language will be so beautiful like this puzzle.